Hey guys, we have another beautiful Tesla Model 3 here. We just received our full vehicle protection package on, where we did basically the full front, all four doors, rocker panels, and rear bumper in paint protection film. This is a full custom install, so I wanted to show you up close what you can expect with a full custom. So here we have edges, corners completely wrapped over of the hood, fenders completely wrapped inside that edge, doors completely wrapped over. We do have a little line on the inside here. There's no way to wrap inside that cleanly because you can't reach behind that, but sensors are wrapped around. Mirrors are completely custom. No pre-cuts here, been wrapped around this outside edge. Doors are completely wrapped underneath the chrome. Handle is actually wrapped and tucked inside the recess. No little cutouts here. Rear bumper completely custom, one piece. You don't have a line down here like you would with the pre-cut. It's all custom. Sensors are all hand trimmed out, so as you can see, they're very indiscernible unless you look really close. This side the same, door handles tucked and wrapped inside, wrapped underneath the chrome, the trim. Fenders completely custom, wrapped around, hood edge wrapped around. Bumper, this is where we separate the men from the boys. This is a full custom one-piece installation. You see any seam? No seam here. Completely custom, wrapped even around the fog light. Completely wrapped on the inside. And on the inside under here as well too, completely wrapped. This is the best way to protect any Tesla Model 3. No pre-cuts, completely custom. Thanks for watching.